Hi Didi Mummies, welcome to my lovely baby. My name is Adila. So today we have Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen. So before that, don't forget to like and follow us. Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen is a versatile and portable playpen designed for infants and toddlers. Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen is designed to provide a safe and comfortable play area for children while also being easy to set up, transport and store. The playpen is suitable for newborn until 3 years old. Some key features of Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen include lightweight and portable. The playpen is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for use at home or on the go. The playpen is easy to set up and requires no tools, making it quick and convenient to use. The playpen features a sliding door that allows children to crawl in and out of the playpen easily, while also providing a secure enclosure. The playpen is made with breathable mesh side which provide a good airflow and visibility, while also ensuring that children cannot climb out of the playpen. The playpen comes with a removable and washable mattress cover, making it easy to keep clean and hygienic. Okay, Didi Mummies, let me show you how to fold Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen. Overall, for Joie Kubbie sleep Playpen is a convenient and practical choice for parents looking for a safe and portable playpen for their children. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like and follow us.